Hello all, welcome to Spice Recipes. This is Pratyusha. In today's video, we are going to see one of the healthy and weight loss recipe, finger millet idli and dosa. Before going to the video, if you still not subscribed to my channel, kindly subscribe and hit the bell icon so you will get notified when I post my videos. Okay, now we'll see how to make healthy and fluffy finger millet idli and crispy finger millet dosa. First, we have to prepare batter. For this, I have taken 3 cups of finger millets and 1 cup of raw rice into the bowl. Instead of raw rice, you can use brown rice also. And in another bowl, I have taken 1 cup of urud dal. Wash the finger millet and urud dal for 3 to 4 times separately and soak it for around 6 hours. After 6 hours, we are going to grind this. I am using wet grinder here. You can use mixer grinder also. First, I am adding urud dal to this. After adding urud dal, add water little by little. Don't pour at a time. For me, it takes around 15 to 20 minutes to grind the urud dal. In between, you can add water. We have to grind the urud dal like this in the smooth texture. After this, we can remove it into the bowl. Now we will add finger millets to this and follow the same procedure as we done for the urud dal. Add the water little by little in between and make it as a smooth batter. Finger millet takes more time to grind. For me, it takes around half an hour to grind. Once if you reach the texture like this, you can remove it from the grinder and pour the batter into the urud dal mixture. Now in this, we will add some water and required salt for this and mix it gently. We have to mix the batter in this consistency and allow it to ferment for about 12 hours or overnight. I allowed the batter to ferment for overnight. Finger millets takes more time to ferment, and now close it with lid and keep it aside for about 12 hours. The more time you ferment, you will get the fluffy idlis. And now the next day I am showing you the batter. The batter is nicely fermented. Don't over mix it, slightly mix like this and pour it into the idli molds. I am already greased the idli molds with oil and now I am pouring the batter into this. Now we'll place the idli plates into the vessel and steam it for about 15 to 20 minutes. Now we'll see idlis are cooked or not. Wet your hands and touch the idlis like this. If it is not sticky, you can remove the idlis. If you feel it is sticky, you can keep it for 5 more minutes and then you can remove it. Idlis are cooked very well. I am transferring this to the serving plate. Now the soft, spongy, fluffy and healthy finger millet idli is ready. You can serve this idli with sambar and coconut chutney. I open it and show you. Inside also it is cooked very well and it feels very spongy. Now we'll see with the same batter how to make dosa. For this, take required amount of batter into another bowl like this. Add some water and mix the batter like this. Mix the batter in this consistency. And pour it on the hot tawa and spread like this. And apply oil all over the sides. If you want, you can add ghee also. Allow it to cook for some time and then turn the dosa like this. Let it cook on the other side also and then turn it and transfer it into the serving plate. I am showing you one more dosa like this. Pour the batter on hot tawa and apply oil all over the sides and let it cook on both sides and transfer this dosa to the serving plate. And now the healthy and crispy finger millet dosa is ready. We can serve this dosa with sambar and coconut chutney. If you like the video, kindly like, share and subscribe to Spice Recipes channel. Thanks for watching. We'll meet in the next episode.